So good morning. So like you can see, we had some pretty good frost last night. She's plenty cold today. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, let's start collecting eggs. More hele girls, more. Okay, so we collected a few eggs from shed 2, just packing them in these plastic trays to go to the egg packaging room. Okay guys, so it's about 2 days later. You can see how they destroyed these cover crops. It's their last day here, then they're moving back on the other side of the shed. On the side. Then we're gonna see if we can get these cover crops going again. We don't want them to graze them into their roots. Okay, so we're just heading to town quickly. Just gonna deliver a couple of eggs.